When we purchased the RV, when we were checking it out, the rear air conditioner was acting kind of funny. It runs, the compressor would fire, and you can get the fan to come on, but you have to run it manually. You have to manually turn the fan on, and then the compressor would cycle on and off. So I want to see if this is still doing this. So I'm going to turn the temperature down really low. So fan's in auto, put the fan on high, let it cool. We're going to listen for it to fire. So the compressor's going. You can hear the compressor. Generator loaded up, but the fan's not coming on now. If I were to switch the fan to mine auto, now I got the fan going. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's try it on low real quick. Low wear on the switches. Okay, let's try cool again. May have to time out. So again, no fan. So I'm going to go ahead and change out this thermostat. I'm wondering if there's something with the switches here, and see what happens. Alright, got all the power shut off. Getting ready to, we'll go ahead and pop open that thermostat, take a picture of the wiring. Oh, we got something to go by, and come back when we're ready for the next step. Alright, these are pretty easy to get open. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Just kind of lift at the bottom. It's easier with two hands, of course. There we go. So there we go. So that's the insides, and I'll give you a quick picture of the of where the wires go. So make sure everything gets back. And yeah, I got all the power shut off. So I did that already. So don't have to worry about that. So we'll go ahead and change this out and see what that does. Alright, got the old thermostat unhooked. Hanging here in my paw. So we'll set this off to the side. I want to see the relays in here. I'm not sure if this is going to work or not, but give it a try. Now the option to be up in the control board, which I don't see how this could be that. So anyways, we'll keep on moving along here. I had gone on Amazon and using the part number that's actually in it, I got me this. I better make sure this part number matches up with the part number I just pulled off. So we'll check real quick. Hold on. So we got a 3106995.32. So definitely matches up part numbers. So we will go ahead and put this new one in. I got it off Amazon. So we shall see what we got. Yeah, I was on the forums researching a lot of this, and the consensus was for the price of one of these, and it makes sense, especially with the auto manual, to go ahead and replace the thermostat and see what happens. So we're going to pop this in. Hopefully this is it. If not, it's going to be probably a relay up in the AC unit, which I'll have to wait later for nicer weather to go diagnose. Okay, we're slowly going through, putting the wires back on. As you can see, I have a picture here. I'm just going to follow along like that. You just do that. Easy peasy. Make sure the power's off. See what we got here in a minute. Alright, coming up on the last wire. Just a little tip. Before you go to do these, make sure you unscrew them first, because if you don't do that, then you won't be able to get the wires in. The wires might not, the terminal might not be all the way up. You may get the wire on the wrong side, but always loosen up a terminal before you land a wire on it. Just a little tip, trick. Anyways, I'll get this last one in, and then we'll get this all buttoned up. All right, before moving on, I'm gonna go through and just kind of tug on the wires, make sure they're all in. Oops, see, I didn't get that one in all right. All right, see, you just double check your work there, make sure everything's under the terminals. All right, check it again. You can use your fingers too, just give them a tug, make sure nothing comes out. All right, that's it. We'll pop the cover on and get some power going. All right, cover's on. Let's go. I'll get there and go. I'm about to fire the generator up because I'm not plugged in. So I'll walk you all through that real quick. So we'll go out here and get the main power back on the batteries. Nasty windy day here. Cool too. It's dropping from the 50s into the 40s. There we go. House batteries are on. It's just windy, nasty. You can kind of hear it a little bit on the inside. Sorry about the wind noise. There, we got some power. All right, so generator. Just come over here and give it a quick start. All right, generator's starting up. Just wait a little bit for it to get power. Usually wait for the microwave to light up, and that usually lets me know. All right, there the microwave just lit, so we got power. So head on back here and see what we got. See, my GoPro light's about dead. So here we go. A little bit to cool. I'm gonna turn temperature down. Whoops. Helps to flip it to cool. They got it. Fan came on. Do believe we got it. So that solved the problem. Yeah. Sweet. So we had a bad thermostat. Figured something to do with these switches here. It's in here. But so we can do it again. So I'll put it on low so we can hear the generator fire load up when the compressor kicks on. Yep, you can hear it. You can hear the compressor, the fan. All's good. We got air conditioning now, working good. So that took care of that issue we found when we were buying the RV. So no peasy, no peasy. No problem. It was a $30-something part from Amazon. And I don't know what's going on with the other thermostat. It seems to want to work right now. So if not, I got another one. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. And cool. That took care of that. I'll go and get the generator off. And hope you guys have been enjoying some of these little things I have to do to repair, get things going here. We're going to shut it off. There we go. Yeah. All right, generator's off. Another problem I had, I just fixed today, that top silver screw was missing, so it fell out, and I got that, put that back in today. So I was on another item on my hit list for doing. So that pretty much takes care of my punch list. Pretty much officially done. We got to find a place for magnet board, and that'll be another video for that. So I'm just happy. Good. Hope you all enjoy these little things. If not, I enjoy making them. So I'm Jim without Pearl. She's in the house keeping warm. So yep, definitely happy. That was just a thermostat. So later, guys. I'll have something else coming. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.